How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. What's up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile section and make sure that your creator mode is turned on. And once you do that, you just want to head over to your chat section. And from here, all you need to do is tap on this little edit icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on the new message icon, you will find this option to create a broadcast channel. Just tap on it, and from here you will be shown this screen, and from here just tap on get started. Once you do that, you can just set your channel name. You can change your audience. You can make it only your followers. You can make it public and option to show it on your profile. Once you do that, you just tap on create a broadcast channel where you can share your thoughts and messages to your followers and other people on your broadcast channel. So that is pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.